Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the Instagram confirm you're a real person with a video selfie problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for Instagram and tap on Instagram. Now check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated showing. Okay, now tap on update option and wait a few minutes. Now complete your Instagram update and go to long tap your Instagram app, tap on I button and scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and again tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll up, again tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow, back and all logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos, last photos and videos, allow all permission, complete. Okay, back to home screen and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, back to home screen, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and now open your Instagram app and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.